Okay, we built this porch for our retirement in 1995. And Richie Fusco, the building inspector, also on the town council not too long ago, he made sure that they were down for the proper, I believe it was 4-foot pilings that had concrete pilings that had to be poured. And as you can see, it's moved a minimum of 3 inches. It's with the blasting, and not only the blasting, it's the excavation. My property is losing elevation, as I stated before. It's at least. So that's something else that the Watertown leadership can overlook on account of all the money that's involved in the construction on 904 and 882 Main Street. But no regards for the senior citizens here. Storming's above me, and everything is moving. So, at any rate, I just want you to take this into consideration. If something ever happens to me or my wife of 62 years, Annie Smith, and John H. Thank you for watching.